Hello everybody, Smith back again. I'm back with a little hobby football break. I got one box of 2014 Panini Prestige. Each box comes with 3 autographs and 1 mem card per box. And you get a ton of cards here. You get 24 packs of 8 cards each, and I believe it has 1 box topper inside. I picked this up, pretty good price, $45. It's not the best looking design, but 2014's gone up a lot with Garoppolo, Carr, and you got Beckham rookies in here. So let's see if we can pull one nice rookie auto out of here. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the box topper. Cut it. Trey Mason. Not the best one there. Alright. Try to go through the base kind of quick since we have so many packs to go through. Alright. Kevin Pryor, what we got here? Foil red, extra points, not numbered. Rookie card. I'll try to keep rookies separate. Miller and Brian Hoyer. There we go. AJ McCarron, draft picks rookie. Was on my Bengals, now he's out in Oakland. Joyner rookie. Peyton Manning base. Got a big board. C-Struck for the Redskins rookie. Kyle Fuller rookie. Aaron Murray rookie. Road to the NFL. Sammy Watkins rookie. Base. Harvin, Reed, Floyd. Keenan Allen rookie die cut. That's pretty cool. Top of the class, Keenan Allen. I like that one. Ryan Grant rookie. Big Ben. Looks like we got Chris Borland autograph. Wow. Blue extra points autograph. Not numbered. Of course, he retired early. Jordan Matthews. What we got here? Prestigious Picks rookie. Not bad. Good looking card. Trent Murphy rookie. Cluster. Cobb, Romo, Sherman. We got a die cut of Phillip Rivers. I like the acetates in this. Looks pretty nice. Anthony Barr rookie. Gino, Watt, Flacco. Got another AJ McCarron. Red. Extra point rookie. Louis Nix rookie. Sean Lee. Peppers. Fitzgerald. Alex Smith captain patch. Clayton Dix rookie. Rodgers, Foles, Greenway, Road to the NFL, Jenkins, rookie, Mike Evans, base rookie. Annie Williams, Cooper, Chris Johnson, die cut, Teddy B, rookie. Wait. Feels like a thick bag here. Decoy. Got Ryan, Newton, Colston. No, it's a rookie patch. Gold, Aaron Murray. Prime. These are not numbered. Not numbered, but pretty cool looking card there. Got a Blake Bortles rookie prestigious picks. Anthony Thomas. I got Barry, Ballard, Emmanuel. Alright, halfway through. Quinn, White, Woodhead, Johnny Manziel. That would have been a big card back then. Marcus Lee, Decker, Bowe, and Dalton. Alright, second half. Still have 2 autos in this half. Haven't got any of the big rookies yet. Bortles is alright. Chickens, Bennett, Marshall. Draft day standouts. Robert Mathis. Got a cool card. Ebron rookie for the Lions. Sanders, Curley, Brown. Kenny Stills, Castle, Stacy, Andre Williams, C.J. Mosley rookie, Bernard, Allen, and Tom. We got Drew Brees, Doug Martin, Pettigrew, and we got Chris Sims. And that is numbered to 10, 5 out of 10. Black extra points. Sweet. Nice low number card there. Zach Martin rookie. Cowboys. Douglas, Morris. Uh-oh, I think I got Reese. Yep. Number to 100. Devon Reese. Extra points, purple. Alright, we still got one more auto. Marcus Lee, rookie. Jenkins, rookie. Bruce Smith, number 1 insert. It's a pretty cool looking card. Troy Nichols, rookie. Calvin Johnson. You got draft day standouts. Russell Wilson. Charles Sims, base rookie. There's some. Alright, Curse, Britt, Witten, Big Board, Marquise Lee, rookie with Jags. Todd Boy, Gordon, Hayden, and Steve Johnson. Jones, Austin, Kuechly, Paul Richardson, Road to the NFL rookie. Jordan Matthews, base rookie. Bill Brewers. Alright, one more auto. Let's see if we can get that Derek Carr rookie auto. Peterson, Bryant, Jackson, Teddy Bridgewater draft days rookie. Logan Thomas rookie. Bowman. Jeffrey, not a big guy, but not a bad hit here. If it's a hit, it is. Kelvin Benjamin, rookie auto blue. Not bad. See how he does this year. I got Allen Robinson, Jesus Picks rookie. There's Odell Beckham, base rookie. Pretty good back there. Good receivers. Alright, last pack. Smith, Williams, Cruz. We got a Jake Cutler die cut and a Chris Borland rookie. And that's it. You get a bunch of rookies and a lot of what's called acetate cards too. It's pretty cool. So I got a bunch of rookies. Pretty cool patch card there. Aaron Murray, McCarron rookie. Borland autograph. Nice Allen rookie die cut. Calvin Pryor red parallel. Probably the best card, Kelvin Benjamin autograph. Reese autograph, Charles Sims number to 10, another AJ McCarron. So pretty fun, no huge hit, but nice little value there for 40, 45 bucks. You get that range. So that's it for this break of 2014 Panini Prestige, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.